What's up guys, Retro Tango here. Welcome to my RE-AMIGA 1200 board review part 2. Guys, start with part 1. Watch part 1 and then jump over to this one because I just got this board back. When we reviewed at part 1, this is awesome, man. Guys, when we reviewed at part 1, this Amiga 1200 board had issue with the graphics. It had issue with the sound. And you guys had some different ideas what it could be. And it has been checked. It has been checked everywhere. And I'm telling you guys, okay, so the audio part, these two resistors or whatever component were missing. So my friend that built this just forgot about this because this RE-AMIGA 1200 board, it has got, you can see a lot of empty spots, empty over here, empty over here, and that's something Commodore did, and these two were missing, and that's why there was so much distortion in the audio, it was just unbearable. So he put them on and he tested everything for the audio and he says it's 10 out of 10. We had vertical lines. As you can see, I'm using a gold SCART cable, no jail bars, no vertical lines, no nothing. My 30-year-old Amiga 1200 board here, no lines, no nothing. It's just dark black. Everything is just so sharp, looks and feels amazing, guys. I mean, this old board, all my Amigas, you guys know I have all the Amiga models, I have filmed all the Amiga models, and I have no issues on my screens. This old LG monitor with a SCART cable connector, I have no vertical lines, no issues, no nothing. Amiga 500 plus, 2000, 4000, no matter what, old Commodore stuff, it looks crystal clear, man. Look at those mouse traps over there, looks just perfect, okay? We had vertical lines on this, and he measured from, what is it Lisa that controls, I don't remember which chip, I think it was Lisa. He controlled with oscilloscope everything here from the RGB out, that the picture quality should be perfect now. So this review part 2, this board is gonna kick A. I love this card, and as you can see, I have old Amiga 1200s, but you know, everything new, so let's just go ahead and install this audio. At 20, original, crystal clear. Wow, the old stuff, it sounds amazing. I'm just gonna leave it at volume 20 and I'm gonna install this. But before I do that, I'm gonna install it with the same cables. Look. First, I'm gonna use the same cables that I have used for years now, almost 700 videos. But look at what I got, man, another donation. Now, these, you can buy them at eBay, is it? Yeah. Look at this, just perfect sound cable. So thick shielded cable. And they are just dirt cheap. Professional home cinema. They are so cheap, you can buy it at eBay. And you can see it's gold and it's shielded, and we're gonna try this cable. It's gonna be great. So just go ahead and put in all the new stuff on. I am absolutely so excited because I am in love with this board. So we have connected brand new PSU, guys, brand new. So we're giving some quality power. I'm using my own gold SCART cable that I have used since 2018, everything perfect. 3.1 ROMs, installed a ID to CF, 8 GB CF card, and we're going to enjoy. Let me see, the audio is at 20, just like the original Commodore. All black screen, and 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, fuck. Can you see it? No, you can't. On my original, we had black screen here. Now we have jail bars, black, gray, black, gray, black, gray, black, gray, and it looks so bad. I can't explain. I don't understand everything. We've been talking on the phone. He checked everything. I mean, all the connections, everything is just perfect. And I don't understand why I'm getting these jail bars. None of any other Amigas does this. A bit mushy at the G here. Yeah. And then it has got this is gray, and it has got this line, this is black, and the rest is gray, and gray stripes there. Looks horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Let's install this one and see what's gonna happen. Okay, my old cable is off. I used this gold cable, and this one is just thick, high quality. And we have all the jail bars you can dream about on this fucking shitty piece of shit card. It looks so bad, okay? It is just unusable piece of shit that I want to throw out of the window. I hate this RE-AMIGA 1200 board from now on. Fuck this shit. I'm just gonna take out the chips and use the card as a frisbee. That's for sure. Audio part, it's still on 20. Let's see how it sounds. All those vertical lines looks so bad. I can't explain it, guys. You can't see it on the camera. If this cable can't help it, then nothing can. What a piece of shit. Wow, man. I'm using the thickest shielded cable here, and still only this Amiga out of so many Amigas makes all these vertical lines that looks like shit. The audio distortion is fixed, but it's no audio distortion whatsoever, but it feels like newer components. I mean, the old original Amiga 1200 sounds is much more analog, and this is digital, and it's just everything is just spiked up. I have incredible good hearing, so especially for my age, but it's just too loud. It's too much, but it's not distorted. So I will just start the game, and I will just take it down from 20 down to 15 or something like that before we are getting some hearing damage. But the audio part is fixed. That's nice. It's just really loud. So it is what it is. Oh yes! Vertical lines everywhere. Beautiful stuff. I hate it. Vertical lines on all different colors looks so bad. Audio is loud, sorry guys, I can't take the volume down now. Whoa. But audio part is fixed. But video is... Oh! I disappeared! What? Where am I? What the? What? I have never seen this! Look, I'm gone! I disappeared! Oh man, what's going on? I mean, come on! Piece of shit! fuck this shit. I mean, I want the best. No. So yeah, guys, this is part 2 of my RE-AMIGA 1200 board that I had been in love with from day one until today. I can't anymore. It's just, I'm done with this. I'm gonna take out the parts and I'm gonna use the rest as a frisbee. Get out of my life. My life is too short for this shit. This shitty picture, graphical shit. Audio's fixed, it's okay, but the rest is just, damn, I'm gonna use my 30-year-old Amiga 1200, non-recapped Amiga 1200, that just works perfect. Has got, what? Oh man, what the? What a shitty experience, what a piece of shit. No distortion, but yeah. That's because I don't have no RAM expansion, it's okay. Let's just finish this video by entering Shadow of the Beast. Where are we? Shadow. There we go. Oh, now the picture is gone, the music is gone. That's because we don't have enough RAM, guys. Oh, I'm loving this new brand new PSU over here. Quality stuff, guys. Yeah, vertical lines. Looks like shit. So ugly. I have no distortion, but it's just the amplifier chip is just too powerful. Not enjoyable, man. Vertical lines everywhere. You can't see it, but I can see green stripes. Fuck. Yeah. My review part 2. Thank you for watching, guys. This card is a piece of shit. It's junk. I hate it. I'm never gonna review it. I'm not gonna make part 3 because, as my friend said, he used a month on this. He fixed the sound, but it's just too amplified, too high. Video, he can find nothing, and he knows what he's doing, okay? And he said, if this doesn't work, and he gave me this cable for free, if that 50 centimeter fully shielded gold cable, if that also can't fix this, then just throw it out. So, what a piece of shit, man. I hate it. No, it's not my screen. No, nothing like that, because everything else I put in here works crystal clear except this piece of shit. I wish you a great day out there. Anyone interested in a frisbee? Have a great day, guys. Bye.